So in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this fabulous unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay Diva, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Diva Tress. So thank you so much Diva Tress for sending me out this fabulous unit to share with my fabulous divas. But yeah, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs on this unit, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay Diva, so let's jump right in. Today we have a unit by Main Concept. It is their unit in Jalen, and I have her in the color SR2 Creamy Blonde. So here's what she looks like. She does have a very slight yaki texture, but she is very soft. Here's the cap construction, and I would say that it's average head friendly, but it does fit me snug, and I have a large head. Comes with your 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps as well as parting space. This lace is in between hard and soft. So here's how the unit looks straight onto my head, and it does not look bad. Doesn't look like it needs too much work, which is really good. So on me, this unit falls about 18, I would say about a good 18 inches on me, and I'm 5'2" for reference. And here is a close-up of the texture. It's really gorgeous. I'm loving the color. So with this unit, I did experience a little bit of shedding and tangling, as you guys will see here, but it's nothing that's too excessive. I am also loving that bang in the front. So now I'm just going to go in and make the unit work for me. I'm just going to pull it a little bit behind the hairline as well as add powder to the parting space to make it appear more visible and just to look more natural. But overall, I think this unit is very, very gorgeous and pretty, and the color really makes the whole look. Okay Diva, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So first of all, let's go ahead and talk about the pros. So the pros to this unit is that the style is absolutely beautiful. It's very simple, yet it is still beautiful. I love the soft, it's like very soft waves. I absolutely love this little bang that they included as well. It's like a kind of like a side sweat bang, and I think that that's really, really cute. I haven't had a unit like that in quite a while, so I believe. But anyways, yeah, this is really, really, really cute. I really love the style. The color is really, really cute. I love the density of the hair. I did see it on somebody else and I thought it was going to be too thin. I was like, oh god, why did I pick this wig? It's going to be too thin, but it's not. As you guys can see, like, the density is like on the natural full side, which I really appreciate and I really do like, so that is good. So I like the style. I do like the cap construction. I did just pull it slightly behind my hairline just so it could look more natural on me. I felt like it looked a little bit too wiggy when I had it on all the way, so that's why I don't have it on, you know, like all the way to the front, because you guys know, like, look at my hairline, like it comes out all the way to my brows. So sometimes I have to alter the unit and kind of pull it behind my hairline. But if you don't have a hairline like that, you could definitely just add a little bit of baby hair to the unit and you'll be just fine. So yeah, I pretty much like the style. Now let's go ahead and talk about the cons. So the cons of this unit, my main con was the fact that the roots are not throughout. I feel like that is a dead giveaway when the roots don't go through the whole wig. I feel like that is a dead giveaway that it's a wig. And I mean, well, I love wigs. Like, I don't care if anybody thinks it's a wig, but I like for it to look natural. Like, you know, like, I like my, even though I know I love my synthetic wigs, but I don't want it to look synthetic. And I feel like with the roots only being here, you know, just at the top and then it just stops, I feel like that gives it, like, that's the dead giveaway, if you know what I mean. So I don't like the fact that the roots are like that, but however, I do like the fact that it does have roots because it, you know, allows me to help to blend the unit. But I don't like the fact that it doesn't go throughout. I also don't like the amount of shedding, but it is expected. I did choose a lighter color, and that happens with synthetic units. Like, when you pick a lighter color, or even with human hair units, it sheds when it's a lighter color. I don't know, but of course, I told you guys before in my previous videos, you just go ahead and put on some wig control spray, brush it out, and you'll be good to go for some hours. You don't have to worry about the excessive shedding. So yeah, those are pretty much my cons. So I really do like the unit more so than I have cons. So would I recommend this unit? Definitely. I would definitely purchase this unit with my own money. I would repurchase it in another color. So I would definitely recommend it. It's super duper cute. I really do like it. I like this color, but if you are not into the ash blonde, honey, they do have other colors, but this is cute. You know, if you're feeling adventurous, definitely try it out because it looks really cute. I feel like this complements my skin tone really well. I usually only like warmer tone, but I really do like this cool tone blonde. Like, it's really cute. Oh yeah, that's another thing that I did like. I didn't tell you guys. So I do like the parting space. At first I thought it was gonna be a little bit too dense. I was like, oh, I'm probably gonna have to go in and pluck it, but when I added the powder, it just worked out fine. As you guys can see, it looks really good. So yeah, overall I'm loving the unit, and I would definitely recommend it because she's super cute. I love this bang. Like, I feel like this bang is just so cute. Like, and she will be really cute in a natural color as well. Like, and she will definitely look like a sew-in, okay, because she looks like a sew-in, and if you have her in a natural color, she's really gonna look like a sew-in. So yeah, I like her. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check in the description box below. I'll have a link there where you guys can find this unit in case you do want to purchase it. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous divas think about this unit, or if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, I'll be sure to go ahead and answer those. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, girls, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.